There is a few grants that you can actually claim to purchase the time attendance system. One of the grants that you can actually purchase is the ICV grant. In this ICV grant, the requirement is you must have at least 30% local shareholder, not more than 200 employees, and your turnover must not be more than 100 million. Basically, if you would like to use this voucher, you can only purchase from approved vendor, and we are one of the qualified approved vendor by the ICV. Other than ICV, there is two other grant, which is PIC, which is 400 tax deductible up to 400,000 per year, or 40% cash out payment capped at 100,000 per year, and CDG up to 70%. Here we have a different type of time attendance system, and one of which is the fingerprint, which you can actually detect by pressing your fingerprint, or you can also press using the PIN number, and you can also use as a card reader. Alright, then the second one that we actually have, this is actually a facial recognition. It also comes with a card access. Alright, and the last one we have is a handphone apps. This handphone apps is more suitable for constructions company. So how does it actually work? Apps which you can actually in and then scan. Once successfully scanned, it will indicate as successful. Yep, that's all. This is the interface of the HR time attendance tracking and calculator system. When you purchase this software, each individual company will be given a company code, user ID, and password to log into the time attendance. This is what you're going to see inside the time attendance software. This time attendance software is run by cloud-based. When you are in, you can actually set your calendar, department, designation, duty roster, employee allowance, public holiday, reason, sections, shift, and your staff. Under your shift, you will be able to create different type of shift, and every shift that you created, you can set the lateness grace period, early out, overtime, and early overtime period, the deductions of your lateness, early out, overtime, and early overtime. You can set from Sunday all the way to Saturday, including the public holiday. If you click on the staff, you'll be able to see all your staff detail that have been imported from the Million software to the time attendance system. You would then be able to set the name, department, the position, shift, date join, IC, as well as the card number for the registrations of the time attendance biometrics. Once you do all your setting, you can go to Time Attendance Report, and you'll be able to see your audit trail, daily attendance, individual attendance, performance summary, as well as your weekly attendance. You can also view the transactions by department, individual, or by their sections. Once you have already checked and complete for the month, you can then export to Payroll, Million Payroll, by clicking Interface and select Export to Million Payroll. So once you are here, what you require to do is to process and preview first. Once you're done, you then click Export. It will then generate for you a file which you'll be able to attach into Million Payroll. So once you are in your Million Payroll, click on System, Administrative Tool, Import Data from External File. Just click Import, attach the file that you actually have saved from the time attendance system, and then just click OK, and they will actually update into the payroll software. And you would be able to find the transactions payroll automatically fill up for you. What you need to do is click Save and ensure every detail is correct. And once done, you can process your pay as per normal and issue out your pay slip to your employee, and you can also generate your reports in the Million Payroll software itself. There might be a few problems that your company is actually facing. One of which is you are unable to track employee in real time. You are unable to process your payroll on time, or you have a difficulty in calculating your employee overtime, or do you have too many employees to handle? What time attendance system can offer? There is few things that time attendance system can offer to you. One of it, you can reduce the admin staff by reduce your manpower. You do not require a lot of money to invest in the time attendance system, so it will cut costs and it can run for life. Lastly, it will actually convert from manual entry to automatic system, which make your workload faster and reliable. Time attendance system is suitable for all sorts of companies and businesses, such as constructions company or even engineering company. We have up to retails or even office hours job. If you have single location or even multi-location, we would still be able to solve your issue using our time attendance systems. And with our time attendance system, one good thing is we will ensure that it will link up to our Million Payroll software. So with this, you will be able to generate your IR8A, CPF, and do the e-submission on time without any delay. If you are interested in the time attendance system, do look for us at Rockbell International Software Private Limited. You can contact us at 64697720, or you can email us at sales@rockbell.com.sg for further enquiries.